I'm going to show my brothers how to make a paper dragon and whoever's watching. So get ready, get excited, get ready to have some fun, and I'll show you the tools you'll need. We're supposed to be drawing dragons, not pandas.
Sorry.
Fine, I drew something too. But that doesn't matter. Oh, there you are. Come on, we have to start making paper dragons.
Ow.
Okay, guys, here are the tools you'll need. First, paper, then scissors, and then tape. We're gonna have to share though. And at the end, you can draw your dragon, put scales on it, add spikes or anything. You don't even have to use white paper. You can use colored paper, instruction paper, any kind of paper. Paper, paper, paper. Okay, first step, cut out the body. Cut out the tail,
Got out
the legs, cut out the tail. Here's a tip if you can't cut out your dragon. You have to draw it first. Like you draw the body, then you draw the legs, then the head, and the other legs, and then you can draw the tail.
Oh, now I know what to draw.
Okay. Don't get upset if you have trouble because everyone's doing it different, because I just cut it out. My brother's drawing it, then cutting it out, and he's cutting out the pieces and then taping them together.
I don't know how to cut the tail.
Oh, like this. So you cut like this, and then the other side, and then it'll make a triangle like this.
I want to have a fan
And
tail.
it looks like a tail.
I want to underwater dragon.
Okay, like thin scales. So I like to cut out mouths for my dragons so they can roar. So then once you cut the body out, you bend the legs and arms and anything you want to bend, maybe the head. So the next part on making a paper dragon is cutting out the wings. You can cut the wings flat. You can cut them jagged like I'm doing. You can cut them any way you want. Wow, that's an amazing tail. That's gonna be a really cool dragon tail there, buddy. Nice job. There's a twist on the wing though. You have to put it on the paper and then cut it out again so it looks the same.
No.
And then once you have the wings cut out,
I'm done.
you grab the tape.
Avonlea
You can
done.
tape the wings
Avonlea done.
onto the body. And then the whole body's done. And then the next part is drawing spikes, taping horns to it, or whatever you want to do. I cut out a small spike that'll stick up. And now for the coloring. Grab crayons, pencils, or anything.
Where's the tape?
Oh, the tape's here. Sorry, I'm hogging the tape.
I'm done. Wait for that wind.
Hey, don't fly away. Don't fly away. Blow away. And I have a tip. If you want people to know what color fire they spit out, then color in the mouth. Her fire is blue. Now it's time to name our dragons. I'm going to name this one Rainbow. And another thing you can do with dragons is put spikes by doing arrows that point down.
Mine is gonna be named Tyler.
Nice.
That was gonna be my name. Sorry, bro. Your name could be
Poopy?
Yes. So I had jet-powered wings, and the blue is because it can go super, super fast. And it has a tail that's straight, and it's made out of a square. And it can go super, super fast parts because a spear-shaped head, so it can go fast.
I enjoy making paper dragons because I like to craft things out of paper, like paper dragons. This is Toby, this is Owl, this is Glider, this is Vampire because she has vampire teeth, obviously. This is my favorite, Emma. Her tale's from How to Train Your Dragon. This is Pearl because her wings are as white as a pearl. This is Blueberry. And this is the queen of my dragons. Her name is Queen Bee, Queen Dragon. And this is Queen Scales, the queen of the water dragons. And those are my dragons. I'm gonna show you the secrets about my dragon. Like the mouth, its belly, and the spike that can come up.
Do you have any last tips for people trying to make a paper dragon at home?
I don't know. Maybe.
Well, I know a tip.
Oh, I have one.
If you're okay. So if you're embarrassed by your dragon, do this.
It's not really a tip, but okay.
So I made my dragon, and it's half the things in Minecraft, the tangly thingies. I don't know what it's called.
Since Western didn't use this tail, I used it for my dragon, and it looks kind of like a broom, so I'm gonna use it for a broom to clean all this stuff up. This may take a while.